Hello, here we are with a new feature in OneDrive for Business in the web app. So in the web version, it doesn't work with the client app. So we can create a new document. We have the button, but what it's most important is that from here we can start with the template. It's somehow easier to find the 365 templates that we love. So in the past it was quite hard because you had to select the templates directly from the app before starting the document creation, and in my case I was always forgetting to use templates. From this button, so my add new and my files in OneDrive web app, I can select directly the document that I want to create, Word, Excel, or just go and browse all the wonderful presentation and templates that are already present. In the case, an example, I want to find a Gantt or a timeline. Here I have many possibilities to select the document that I want, to see it in preview, and then to start not from scratch to build a new document. In case I need, we can also sort all the content, filter on the file extension. Okay, I'm looking for a template for Excel, so I don't want to see start from the labels, and I select all the available Excel that I find the one I love, and I can start editing directly in Excel. So for me, it's okay, nice feature.